Bug splats. They can be a real challenge this time of year, especially if you do a lot of motorway miles. They make a real mess on areas that are fiddly to clean, like grills and bumpers, and they're really hard to remove. Windscreen wash just smears them across your field of vision, shampoo struggle to shift them, and even pressure washers can't budge them. Here's the solution, BUGSY. It provides that extra cleaning power to break through bug splats and help remove other tough stains and grime before you shampoo your vehicle. Simply spray it onto all affected areas and leave it to dwell for a short time. It's a gel, so it won't run off and it stays in contact with the stain for longer, breaking it down. You can agitate it with a gentle brush if necessary. It lathers up into a satisfying soapy foam. After a minute or two, you can simply wipe it away or rinse it off with a pressure washer to leave a clean, bug-free surface. Just a reminder, here's the Tesla before and after. It's not just for bug splats. Use it to bust through bird poo, tree sap and general grease and grime. Perfect for door shuts and sills, engine bays, petrol flaps and more. Anywhere that grime might build up and that you don't really want to touch with your wash mitt. And one last thing, unlike most bug removal products on the market, there are no nasty solvents in ours, and therefore no hazardous warnings on the label, making it safer for you and kinder for your paintwork. So that's BUGSY. Use it before you reach for your shampoo and wash mitt.